Come here, Coco. Come here, buddy. Coco. You lazy? Huh? Coco, come here. Come here, Coco. Here, buddy.
You getting your picture taken?
What are you doing?
He shakes his leg right there.
I want Fred to come out. Coco, where's Fred at, buddy? Huh?
Where's your brother?
Where's Fred at? What are you? Look, he's chewing on the thing.
It's just something to chew.
I wonder where Fred is. He's probably back up there.
Probably. I can talk like
He
you.
looks confused when you do.
I can talk like you.
When you do that, he looks really confused.
Ah, get out of there.
My head itches.
Ew.
When does Fred is? There's gonna be like a fort up here. Just like close all this off, like all this part, and like get like an entrance way here. And it could be a fort. But this will be like the outer part of the fort, and then this will be the actual entrance like, to the fort right there. So do you think Fred and Coco are brothers?
I think so.
They look like brothers. Coco! Come on, you lazy puppy.
He's tired. It's hot.
He's tired.
What that cop's going to do is sit down at the same one.
Where?
The one coming down the street. Earlier. Come here, bud. Come here.
I like it up here. I like it up here.
Here's your kid friends. They're probably looking for you. No, you don't need pop.
I just sat on something. Coco's tired. Coco is tired. Hey.
He's so excited when that door opens.
He's like, yeah.
He always loses Fred.
Coco. He's sniffing. He probably smells the dog or something. He probably does.
CoCo!
Hey, Coco. Can you come here? Dogs don't want to stay still for.
That's where you watch the stick movie.
I know.
You're in shower tonight.
Okay.
Come on, baby. You tell Joe I was talking to you. I was going.
Yeah.